Good morning, children. Welcome to ELGA online class. Yeah, children, today we are going to cover ELGA 4 day 2 of unit 3. Okay, yeah, children, today we are going to cover ELGA 4 day 2 of unit 3. Yeah, children, what is the meaning of ELGA? ELGA means English, language and general awareness. Okay, yeah, children, what is the today's topic? Today's topic is neighboring countries. Okay, what is the today's topic? Neighboring countries. Now, who is your neighbor? Who is your neighbor? Your people you just live in your next or near to you. Okay, they are called your neighbors. Okay, your countries also have neighbors. Okay, your children, now look at the slide. Okay, let us learn the blend sound. Okay, your children, today learn slur and stir blend sound. Okay, your children, listen. When two or three letter sounds join together, we make new sounds. Okay, yeah, this new sounds is called blends. Okay, your children, now take your ELGA reader book, page number 45. Your children, when you have attending the online class, take your ELGA reader book, ELGA worksheet, take your pencil, eraser and sharpener with you. Okay, your children, now take your ELGA reader book. Yes, children, now I will give the time for you 5 seconds. Take your ELGA reader book, page number 45, 4 and 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, children, now get ready with your book. Very good. Awesome. Yeah, children, now we will learn slur blend. Okay, the children, listen. Now I will read the all sounds for you. Okay, your children, please repeat after with me. Okay, the first word is slide. Slur, slide. Slur, slide. The second word is slur, sleep. Slur, sleep. The next word is slur, slippers. Slur, slippers. The last word is slur, slow. Slur, slow. The next line, first word is slur, slim. Slur, slim. The next word, slur, slip. Slur, slip. The another word is slur, slant. Slur, slant. The last word is slur, slide. Slur, slide. Okay. Yeah, children, next, stir blend. Next, let us learn the stir blend. Okay. Yeah, children, listen. Look at the first one picture. Stir, star. Stir, star. The next word is stir, stamp. Stir, stamp. The next word, stir, stacks. Stir, stacks. The last word is stir, store. Stir, store. Next, the second line, first word. Stir, step. Stir, step. The next word, stir, stem. Stir, stem. Okay, the next word is stir, stand. Stir, stand. The last word is stir, star. Stir, star. Okay, yeah, children, the same page number 45. Now let us read the sentence. Okay. Okay, yeah, children, first slur sentence. Yeah, children, now I will read the sentence for you. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Okay, great. Slow, slim. Slow, slim. Next, sleeps with on. The third sentence, slides down the slanting bed. The last sentence, slips into slimy mud. Yeah, children, once again, I will repeat all the sentence for you. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Okay. Ready? Slow, slim. The first sentence. Slow, slim. Next, the second sentence. Sleeps with slippers on. Sleeps with slippers on. Next, the third sentence. Slides down the slanting bed. Third sentence. Slides down the slanting bed. The last sentence. Slips into slimy mud. Okay, children. Next, stir sentence. Next, we will read stir sentence. Okay, children. First sentence. Stem and slim. What is the first sentence? Stem and slim. The next sentence. Stop at a store. What is the second sentence? Stop at a store. Next, third sentence. They climb stairs. They climb stairs. What is the last sentence? And buy stamps. And buy stamps. Okay, yeah, children. Next, we will learn the whole words. Okay. Okay, children. Now let us learn the whole words. Okay, yeah, students. Now take your Elga Reader book, page number 66. Take soon, children. Yeah, children. Take your Elga Reader book, page number 66. Whole word section. Okay. Yeah, children. Now I will read the whole words for you. Okay, yeah, children. Please repeat after with me. First, look at the board. Whole words. Them. Most, using, hold, thought, hold means to take. Okay, next, show. The next word is watch. Next, into, each, other. Next, will, now, no, ask, read, words, keep, met, save. Okay, yeah, children, now take one Elga Reader book, page number 66. Okay. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Once again, I will repeat all the words for you. Okay. Them, most, using, hold, thought, show, watch, next, into, each, other, will, now, no, ask, read, words, keep, met, save. Okay, yeah, children, now we will see some sentence. Okay, yeah, children, now see the slide. Can you hold my book, please? Yeah, children, listen the sentence carefully. Can you hold my book, please? Yeah, children, in the sentence, what is the whole word? Very good. Hold. Hold is a whole word. Okay, next. He thought it will be fun. He thought it will be fun. Okay, yeah, in this sentence, what is the whole word? Very good. Awesome. Thought. Thought is a whole word. Next, children, I will show this picture to my mother. I will show this picture to my mother. Okay. In the sentence, what is the whole word? Very good. Show. Show is a whole word. Okay. Yeah, children, in today's class, our whole word section over. Next, we will cover the reading and the listening comprehension. Okay. Yeah, children, listen now. See the slide. Yeah, children, look at the picture. What do you think? Yeah, this is which country? Say the answer. Your children listen. Now, in the map, first one, Tamil Nadu. Okay, next, Kerala. Next, the last one. Okay, inside of the circle, Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka. Yeah, Sri Lanka is our neighboring country. Okay, yeah, children, you have also neighbor. Okay, your countries also have neighbors. Okay, Sri Lanka and India are friends. Sri Lanka and India are friends. Okay, so Sri Lanka is our neighboring country. Okay, yeah, children, in your yesterday class, previous class, what did you learn? What is the neighboring country? Yesterday we learned. Yeah, very good. China. Yesterday we learned about China. China is our neighboring country. Now, in today's class, we will learn about Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka also our neighboring country. Okay, yeah, children, now read the sentence. Sri Lanka is the neighbor of India. Sri Lanka is the neighbor of India. India and Sri Lanka are friends. Children, once again I will read the sentence for you. Sri Lanka is the neighbor of India. India and Sri Lanka are friends. Okay. Next, look at the picture. Yeah, children, what are the things you can able to see? Yeah, very good. Many people standing and sitting, or some boys are playing. Next, what is this? This is sea. This is the sea. Okay. Yeah, children, somebody's are okay bathing and swimming. Okay, playing. The children also are playing. Okay, yeah, children, now read the sentence. Sri Lanka is Sri Lanka is famous for its sandy beaches. Sandy beaches. Children love to play cricket here. Okay, yeah, children, once again. Sri Lanka is famous for its sandy beaches. Children love to play cricket here. Okay, next. Look at the picture. Listen. Many people visit Sri Lanka. Many people visit Sri Lanka to spend their holidays. It is a beautiful country. So, Sri Lanka is a tourist place. Okay, yeah, children, once again, many people visit Sri Lanka to spend their holidays. It is a beautiful country. It is a beautiful country. Next. Yeah, children, now take our Elga reader book, page number 45. Yeah, children, quickly take your Elga reader book, page number 45. Now let us learn the Chinese way of eating. Chinese way of eating. Okay, yeah, children, listen now. The author is Shakshi Bhatia. Illustrator Manish Shah. Okay, yeah, children, look at the first one picture. Yeah, children, yesterday I told it to you. This is the map of China. Okay, yeah, children, listen now. Listen. Yeah, children, can you able to see the map? This is Sri Lanka. What is this? This is the map of Sri Lanka. This is the map of Sri Lanka. Okay. Where is China? The children listen. This is China. China is located in this place. Okay. This is India. This is the map of India. Sri Lanka is here. China is there. Okay. Now we will learn the Chinese way of eating. The Chinese way of eating. Okay. The children take a Elga Reader book, page number 45. Children listen carefully. Okay. See the first one picture. Some children are eating. Some children are eating. Okay. Sitting on the dining table and eating some variety of food. Okay. Noodles. Next. Pizza, burger also. Okay, next. Look at the next one picture. Neha. Okay, your children here, small girl is standing here. What is the name of this girl? Neha. Okay, your children listen. Neha went on a trip to China. Neha went on a trip to China. She saw many different things. She saw many different things. Yeah, children, what is the meaning of trip? Trip means what? Yeah, children, listen. Trip means going somewhere. Okay, going somewhere. Okay, or going to foreign country. Okay, yeah, children, listen now. Neha went on a trip. Okay, yeah, Neha is here holding the bag and another one bag is in her hand. Okay, next. Nega went to China. Nega went to China. Okay, yeah, children, look at the picture. Wow, this is very beautiful place. Okay, yeah, children, this is called Great Wall of China. This is called Great Wall of China. Yeah, children, now read the sentence. She saw the Great Wall of China. She saw the Great Wall of China. Okay, next, look at the next one picture. Yeah, she saw martial arts and pandas too. Okay, yeah, children, listen, look at the image. Yeah, small boy is doing martial art and the background of two pandas. Pandas means what? Pandas means Honey Karadi. Okay, yeah, children listen. She saw martial arts and pandas too. Next. Yeah, children listen. See the first one image. Did you know the Great Wall of China is the longest wall? Longest wall ever made by man. Ever made by man. To go there. Okay. Take an aeroplane from Delhi and get down to Berlin. Okay. Next. She saw chopsticks. She liked them the most. Okay, chopstick means what? A Chinese people is used to eating their food. Okay, especially noodles. Okay, a Chinese people is used to eating food. Okay, food for this stick. Okay, listen. She saw chopsticks. She liked them the most. Okay, Nega liked the chopstick most. Next, she saw people using chopsticks to eat food. She was surprised. Surprised means what? What is the meaning of surprised? Yeah, children, when you have get the prize. on your birthday. Okay, listen. What is your reaction? This is very surprised. Okay, yeah, Neha also surprised because chopstick. Okay, people using chopstick to eat food. She was surprised. Okay, next. She saw she saw that they hold the sticks between the fingers. Especially, the children listen, the Chinese people use the chopstick between the fingers. Okay, holding our pencil. Okay, she saw that they hold the sticks between their fingers. Just like we hold a pencil. Just like we hold a pencil. Next, then they have finger between the two sticks. Yeah, children, now listen. Now look at the image. Then they put a finger between the two sticks. Yeah, children, now listen to me. Yeah, children, listen. This is called chopsticks. This is called chopstick. When the Chinese people eat the food using this chopstick. Okay, yeah, children, listen. We hold the chopstick like pencil. Okay, like our pencil. Okay. Now read the sentence for you. Then they put a finger between the two sticks. Okay, put your finger between the two sticks. Next, look at the another one image. Okay, children, listen. This is the chopstick. This is called a chopstick. Okay, yeah, children, when you have eat the noodles, okay, yeah, children, in your home, try to yourself. Okay, this is the chopstick. Then they put a finger between the two sticks. Then they move the sticks up and down. Move the sticks up and down. Next. Then they pick up the food with the sticks. Then they pick up the food with the sticks. Okay. Next, Nega liked this way of eating food. Okay. Yeah, children, really, Nega liked this way of eating food. I will show it to my family. She thought. Okay. Nega thought, I will show it to my family. Okay. Next, okay, yeah, children, now let us learn the vocabulary words for you. Okay, first one, trip. Trip. Trip means what? Yeah, children, trip means going somewhere. Okay, going somewhere or outside of the our country. Okay, this is going to the foreign country. Okay, when you have vacation or holidays. Okay, next, the another one word is chopstick. Chopsticks. Chopstick means the Chinese people use the two sticks using two chopstick eating the food. Okay, next. Surprised. Surprised. Surprise means what? Your children, when you have get a prize or gift on your birthday. Okay, your parents will give the gift. Okay, now that time you surprised. Next, between. Between means what? The two chopsticks in between the fingers. Hold the fingers between the chopsticks. Next, move. The Chinese people take the chopstick and move up and down. Okay. Next, pick. Pick means to take food. To take food with the chopstick. Okay. Yeah. Once again, I will read the vocabulary words. Trip. Trip. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. Surprised. Surprised. Between. Between. Move. Move. Pick. Pick. Next. Yeah, children, our reading and listening comprehension over. Next, let us learn the grammar section. Okay. Yeah, children, now look at the slide. There are 26 letters in the alphabets. Yeah, children, already you all know. Okay, how many letters? There are 26 letters in the alphabets. Okay, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Okay, how many vowels? There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Okay, next, A to Z, there are 26 letters. Next, the letters in orange are vowels. Yeah, children, look at the slide carefully. What are the letters in orange? Very good. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, yeah, children, listen. The 5 letters are called vowels. Which letters are vowels? 5 letters. What are the 5 letters? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. Yeah, children, the remaining letters are called consonants. Other 21 remaining letters are called consonants. Okay, except the 5 letters, vowels. Okay, remaining letters are called consonants. Next, children, what is articles? Articles, what are the articles? A, and, the are called articles. Okay, yeah, children, once again say a, and, the are called articles. Okay. Next, yeah, children, when we are using a is used before nouns that be with the consonant sound. A is used before nouns that with a consonant sound. Okay. Yeah, children, listen now. For example, a ball. A ball. Next, a vegetable. A vegetable. A pet. A pet. Okay, your children, A is used before nouns that use with a consonant sound. Okay, a ball, a vegetable, a pet. Next, an. An is used before nouns that before with the vowel sound. An is used before nouns that use with a vowel sound. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Yeah, children, now look at the picture. What is the first one picture? Apple. What is the first letter of apple? A. Okay, A is a vowel. So, we use before an. So, an apple. Okay, yeah, children, did you understand? Okay, yeah, children, why we are using an apple? Because A is a vowel. Because A is a vowel. So, before nouns that use with the vowel sound, we use a an. So, an apple. Next. An owl. An owl. What is the first letter of owl? O. O is a vowel. O is a vowel. So, before vowel we used an. So, an owl. Okay. Next. An umbrella. An umbrella. Okay. Why we are using an umbrella? Because U is a vowel sound. Okay. Because we use an umbrella. Okay. Next. A and an are used only with the nouns and not with many. Okay. Yeah, children, once again, A and an are used only with the singular nouns. Only with the singular nouns and not with the many. And not with the many. Yeah, children, now see the slide. An apple. Okay. Don't use the plural nouns. Don't an apples. Okay. So an apple is a singular noun. Apples is a plural noun. So your children listen. We don't use the Children listen, we don't use the only with the singular noun. Okay, before a and an. Okay, now an apple, not an apples. Next, the another one example is a ball, not a balls. Okay, next. Yeah, children listen. Mango has both a and the before it. Yeah, children now see the slide. A mango. Next, another one. The mango. A mango. The mango. Yeah, children listen. What are the two words written before a and the mango? Yeah, children now read the sentence. I ate a mango. I ate a mango, an apple and a banana. Okay, the mango was sweet. The mango was sweet. Okay, your children listen. Now we use a for the first time. Okay, first நம்ம என்னது ஒரு வேர்ட் சொல்லும்போது அங்க நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்? We use a for the first time. Okay, because this can be any mango. Okay, a mango. Next, we use the here because we talking about the same mango now. Okay, so now we are using the mango. The mango. Next, yeah, children now take a worksheet. Take soon page number 60. Okay, yeah, children now take one worksheet page number 60. Okay, yeah, children look at the picture. What is this? Slippers. What is this? Slippers. Okay, yeah, children now the two blend sound here. Slur and stir. Yeah, which one is the correct answer? Slur or stir? Yeah, children listen. Slur is the correct answer. Okay. Slippers. Slippers. Yeah, children now take the worksheet. Take soon. Page number 60. Worksheet number 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct blend from the options given. Okay, yeah, children listen. First one. Okay, children, now see the see the slide. Page number 60. Okay, first one, slipper. Okay, yeah, children, now look at the board. Slippers. Slippers. Yeah, children, take one pencil. Yeah, children, quickly write the answer. Okay, on your worksheet. Slippers. Slur sound. Next, stamp. Stamp. Stir sound. Stamp. Take your pencil. Write the answer on your worksheet. Next, slow. Slur sound. Slow. Slur. Okay. Next, store. Store. Stir sound. Store. Stir sound. Next, sleep. Sleep. Slur sound. Sleep. Slur sound. Next, slide. Slide. Slur sound. Next, star. Star. Stir sound. Next, stairs. Stairs. Stir sound. Okay. Okay, children. Next, take the page number 62. Yeah, children, now read the sentences and underline the articles. Yeah, children, now I will say the answer for you. Yeah, children, please take your pencil, underline the articles. Okay, yeah, children, now a man wants to read a book. A man wants to read a book. Yeah, children, in this sentence, what is the article? A book. Take your pencil, underline the word a book. A book is a article. Next. A is a article. Next. Question number 1b. The Class went for a trip to Delhi. The class went for a trip to Delhi. Yeah, in the sentence also a trip. A is the article. Yeah, children, take your pencil, underline the word a. A trip. A is the article. Next, 1C. I want to eat an egg. I want to eat an egg. Yeah, in the sentence, an egg. An egg is a article. Okay, an is a article. An egg. Next, 1D. The mouse went to the garden. The mouse went to the garden. Yeah, children, listen, take your pencil. The garden. The is a article. Yeah, which garden? The garden. The particular garden. So, we use the. So, the garden. Yeah, children, take your pencil. Underline the word the. Okay, the. Here, the is an article. Okay, next, the last sentence. I saw an owl on that tree. Yeah, children, in the sentence, what is the articles? Yeah, very good. An owl. An is an article. Okay, I saw an owl on that tree. Okay, an owl. Yeah, children, take your pencil, underline the word an owl. An is an article. Okay. Okay, children, next. Worksheet number 2. Page number 62. Tick the correct answer. Question number 2. The story was mostly about dash. The story was mostly about dash. Yeah, children, here there are two options given. Okay. Yeah, which one is the correct option? Okay, yeah, children, now I will read the sentence. First one option. The Chinese eating with chopsticks. The Chinese eating with chopsticks. The next one answer. The Chinese practicing karate. The Chinese practicing karate. Yeah, children, which one is the correct answer? Yeah, great. The first one is the correct answer. The answer is the Chinese eating with chopsticks. The Chinese eating with chopsticks. Okay, next. Worksheet number 3. Fill in the blank by choosing the correct answer. How do people eat food in China? Question. Your children listen. How do people eat food in China? Your children listen. The answer is people eat food China using spoons or chopsticks. Which one is the correct answer? Spoons or chopsticks? Yeah, very good. Awesome. Chopstick is a correct answer. Okay. Okay, children. Yeah, children, listen. Today's writing section over. Okay. Yeah, thank you, children. Happy learning. Bye.